Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pop-Up Thermometer is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, especially when it comes to cooking chicken. Ensuring your chicken is cooked to a safe internal temperature is paramount for both taste and health, and these little tools make it incredibly simple. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pop-up thermometers, exploring how they work and why they're a must-have for any home cook. Number 5. Chef Craft 3-Piece Poultry Thermometer. Introducing the Chef Craft Poultry Thermometer, a simple tool for perfect poultry. This set includes 3 thermometers, ensuring you're always prepared. Each thermometer is designed to alert you when the poultry reaches 176 degrees. This feature helps prevent overcooking, guaranteeing a delicious meal. Simply insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat. The included instructions provide clear guidance for optimal results. By using this thermometer, you can ensure your poultry is cooked to perfection. It helps you avoid dry, overcooked meat. For added convenience, these thermometers are disposable. This makes cleanup quick and easy after your meal. What we like? This set comes with 3 thermometers, perfect for multiple cooking sessions. It's incredibly easy to use, just insert and cook. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for consistent results, this disposable set is a great choice. What people say. I've never had one not pop up on time. They've worked 100% of the time. As soon as both have popped, the bird is done: turkey, goose, duck or capon. Good for any whole roasted bird, but especially a stuffed one. Number 4. 20 PCS Turkey Timer Meat Thermometer. This turkey timer is designed to ensure your meat is cooked to perfection. It activates between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a visual cue when the cooking is complete. The center pops out to let you know when it's ready. Forget about constantly checking the temperature. Simply insert this disposable thermometer into your turkey before cooking. It's much easier than using a digital meat thermometer. This thermometer is a must-have for any kitchen. It's easy to insert into any food item. It helps both experienced chefs and home cooks prepare meat, poultry, and fish perfectly. You can use this meat thermometer in various cooking appliances. It's suitable for ovens, stovetops, grills, and more. Just remember not to use it in direct contact with a flame or in a microwave. When using it with poultry, insert it into the side of the sternum. This ensures accurate temperature readings. It helps any chef cook food to the right internal temperature every time. What we like? This thermometer provides a clear visual cue when your meat is cooked to perfection. It's quick and easy to insert, saving you time and effort. If you frequently cook a variety of meats using different methods, you'll appreciate its versatility. What people say. Just used one for my turkey breast, helps with the timing. These work great. I use them for turkey and any chicken that I bake in the oven. These worked perfectly for us. Number 3. Poultry Thermometer for cooking turkey, chicken, beef. Before you start cooking, insert this thermometer into your meat. It will accurately measure the temperature, making your cooking easier. This thermometer accurately determines the temperature of your poultry, meat, or fish. It ensures your food is cooked perfectly, every time. Simply insert it into the meat and cook. The design makes it easy to use, and it won't touch any bones. Once the meat is cooked, the center of the timer will pop out to remind you. It's designed to activate between 175 and 180 degrees. When using it with poultry, insert it into the left or right side of the sternum. This ensures the most accurate temperature reading. What we like? This thermometer accurately determines the internal temperature, ensuring your food is cooked just right. It's designed for easy insertion, and it pops up to remind you when the cooking is done. If you want to cook with confidence and achieve perfect results, this is a great option. What people say. These work perfectly. Made well and accurate. They worked like they should have. I will buy again. Number 2. Poultry Thermometer for oven cooking. This pop-up thermometer makes cooking poultry a breeze. It pops up when the meat reaches the perfect temperature, ensuring your food is cooked just right. The thermometer activates between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply insert it into the poultry, and it will pop out when it's ready. You don't have to worry about overcooking. Before putting your turkey in the oven, insert the timer. It will pop up to remind you when the meat is cooked. This saves you time and ensures delicious results. This thermometer accurately determines the temperature of your poultry. It helps you cook your food perfectly every time, so you can enjoy a delicious meal. Whether it's a holiday gathering or a simple dinner, this thermometer is perfect for baking turkey. Prepare the most delicious turkey with this easy-to-use tool. What we like. This pop-up thermometer is incredibly easy to use, with a clear visual indicator. It's designed for convenience, saving you time and worry. If you're a busy cook who values simplicity and wants to avoid overcooked food, you'll love how easy it is to use. What people say. Bought for prime rib. What I wanted, I have enough for many Thanksgiving. Number 1. Pop-up timer 5 temperature variety pack. This pop-up timer ensures your food reaches the perfect temperature. It accurately indicates when your meal is cooked properly, guaranteeing quality and consistency. Each timer is calibrated for accuracy, within a few degrees of the target temperature. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, it helps you prepare food to perfection. The timer helps you reach the optimum temperature for safe consumption. It assures that your meats, poultry, and seafood are cooked to a food-safe level. With a range of temperatures, it suits various dishes. Simply insert it into the thickest part of your food for easy use. It works in various cooking appliances, including ovens, grills, and air fryers. However, avoid direct flames and microwaves when using this product. What we like. This thermometer ensures food safety by accurately indicating the optimum temperature. It's calibrated for precise temperature measurement, giving you peace of mind. If you prioritize food safety and want a versatile tool for various cooking methods, this is the one for you. What people say. The thermometer popped up at the perfect time. They are easy to use and work great. I have used these for years and they are a great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.